Hello young friends, this video is being brought to you by Rao Scientific Society. So the series of videos which we are going to show you will help you to understand the fundamental scientific principles which you see around you, and it will help you to develop friendship with science. Hello friends, the demonstration which I have with me is called floating magnets. Now all of you know about magnets. Magnets have two poles, North Pole and a South Pole. In fact, Earth itself is a gigantic magnet. Now I have one magnet here, and then I am going to put this second magnet. Now watch carefully what is happening. I release it, it should fall down, but it sticks. That is because I have a North Pole and a South Pole here. Now if I reverse it, let's see what is going to happen. It's floating. What is happening here? There is a North Pole, maybe this is a North Pole and that is a South Pole, and there is a North Pole at the bottom surface of this. So like poles repel each other. Like poles repel, and therefore the gravitational force which is acting on this magnet is balanced by the repulsion due to the other magnet. Now you can continue this further and put more magnets, but then when you put it, you have to be careful and place them such that you always have like poles on the opposing faces. So now it's floating. Now I put more, and then let's see what happens. So one by one I go on putting these magnets, and then they're all floating. But notice one more thing, as I put more and more magnets, then they're all going down. So the separation between the magnets reduces as I put more and more magnets. Now why is that happening? Of course, nearby magnets will repel each other because like poles face each other. But then, so let's say the top surface of this is the North Pole, and the bottom surface of this is also North Pole, and this is South Pole. But if this is South Pole and this is repelling this is again South. So this South Pole is attracted by the North Pole of the bottom magnet, and therefore the repulsion is partially balanced by the attraction, and that is why the total distance, that is the separation between successive magnets, goes on coming down when I put more and more magnets. Now watch, as I remove the magnets, they move up again. So now let's say this is the separation. So how much is the separation? You can see that it's this much. Now if I put more magnets, separation is going to reduce, and that is what we see. As you go on putting more and more magnets, the separation is reducing further and further because the repulsion is partially balanced by the attraction between alternate magnets. So I hope you understood a little bit about magnetism. Now play around with magnets and learn more. Thank you.